We've had a lot of rain, and so a lot of plants have been growing. There's a group of plants and animals known as invasive species. That means that they grow and reproduce, spreading all over the place over our native plants and animals. And it's costing the U.S. over $130 million a year annually just to keep track of them. Let me show you a little more about them. When designing your garden, you should consider using native plant varieties when possible. There's a large number of invasive species of plants that are non-native or alien to the ecosystem whose introduction to the area has caused economic and environmental harm. An invasive species grows and reproduces rapidly, establishing itself over large areas, and they're very persistent. They take over the ecosystem and in doing so decrease the biodiversity of our own native plants by threatening their survival. Texas, by the way, is divided into several what are called ecoregions. We fall into several of them: South Texas Plains, Blackland Prairies, and Post-Oak Savanna. In each one of these groups, there are plants called the dirty dozen, for which they are most common and most destructive. Here are the ones that impact the San Antonio area: bastard cabbage, giant reed, Johnson grass, Chinese tallow tree, King Ranch bluestem, field bindweed, Bermuda grass, Chinaberry trees, red-tip photinas, heavenly bamboo, pincushions, and Chinese privet. If you'd like to know more, go to this website, texasinvasives.org. I'm Chief Meteorologist Albert Flores for News 4 San Antonio.